Hi guys, and welcome back as always to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So we have something a little bit special in with us today, a bit different to a degree as well. So we've got a BMW M3 in black. It's had numerous bits and pieces done to this, race seats lowered, all sorts of different bits and pieces, upgraded brakes. The biggest thing it's had done already is it's got a supercharger fitted. So I think it's done over 600 brake horsepower. It's in with us to have its brake calipers prepped and painted in violet. So we thought we'd do a video on this one because it's just a little bit different, particularly the colour. So we'll go right through from prepping, painting, the brake calipers, go the whole process. So stay tuned for all of this. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to get the car into the workshop now, so we'll do a little bit of videoing of that, and well, let's crack on. Thanks very much.
Beauty.
Yeah, what a beauty.
What an absolute beauty.
Right, so Adam's just got the BMW up in the air now, about to take the wheels off. I think he's already got two off, so we're going to see how he's doing.
Right, mate. Let's do down to the
Hang on, here we come, we're over with you.
Right, look at this, look, we're going for violet calipers
Pretty good, isn't it?
and black hubs.
Gonna look smart.
Something a little bit different.
Yeah. I had forgotten about the hubs, so yes, black hubs, you're right,
Black
well done.
hubs, violet calipers, and some little M badges to finish off the calipers.
Nice. Has he supplied the M badges?
He's supplied the M badges, yeah.
Excellent, okay
Not
mate.
sure where they're going to stick it, to be honest, but we'll
Well,
find somewhere, won't we?
We will, mate, we'll find somewhere to put them.
Right,
Carry on, pal. I see you've just placed your nuts in that container there, mate.
Yeah, different size nuts, front and back.
Is it really? Oh, right, okay. Keep your nuts safe. Tight like a tiger, mate.
Tight like a tiger, mate.
It is on tight.
I think that's all the nuts now.
Let's hope so. Spacers, that's why. Got spacers on it.
Spaces.
Okay, so here we are. So here's the hubs before we start them and the calipers. There we go. That's what they look like at the moment. We'll just go around to the front, have a look at the front ones. No spacers on the front by the looks of it, unless they're on the wheels. So here's the calipers at the moment. So front hub's going black as well. Okay, so we're just going to have a little wander in the workshop. As you can probably hear the noise in the background, Adam is now starting to prep the brake calipers. So we're going to have a look, see how he's getting on. James that. Here we go, look. There he is. There he is. Right, we're just going to check in with Ad again, see how he's doing with his caliper prepping, see how he's doing. Here we go. Here he is. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, yeah. Had me worried there, pal, had me worried. All alright?
Yeah, I'm good, mate.
Just doing the old brackets. Lovely.
Yeah, and then
Look, looking good.
lovely.
Here we are, getting them all prepped, look. On the hubs. Hi, Fraser.
My boots are full of dust.
Fraser just fell over in the spray booth. Or in the dust. There you go, look. Lovely. Superb, thank you. Thank you, pal.
All the best. Let's not turn my back now.
We're just going over to see Ad, isn't it? Oh no, he's fell over. Oh no, he's alright, he's alright.
Just having a little lay down, mate.
He's having a little lay down. Alright, sitting there. Sort of going with the first coat of the colour.
Purple, covering quite nice.
Violet.
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 Violet. Purple. Yep, violet.
That is a bit. It's nice and bright, isn't it?
Lovely, isn't it?
Does work well with the black, to be fair, so.
Yeah.
How's it going on, pal? Good. Not a bad colour?
Right, one coat there.
Superb.
Good job. Lovely times.
You've got to put a mat down, mate.
I got a little one.
Oh, yeah, there he is, got a little mat there.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Got my little buttocks, birds and
Got to look after them, you know.
Come back to see me in a few hours' time.
We'll come and see you getting on in a little while.
All the best. Love you, mama.
Hi guys, thank you for checking out our latest YouTube video. So in this one we've decided to do a little giveaway. Everyone likes a giveaway, something for nothing pretty much. So all you've got to do is like and subscribe to our channel. Like the video, like I say, subscribe to the channel. Once we get 500 or more subscribers to our channel, then we'll pick 2 people at random, and then from all of our subscribers, and them 2 people can pick a hat or one of our caps. They're really nice caps for our Black Stag Styling, that's one of them. That's our grey and black one with the white line down the front. They're adjustable on the back, look, so you've got a little adjuster on the back. So either the grey and black or the black and red, you'll be able to take your pick as towards which one you want once we've picked the 2 people at random, and we will send them out to you. So get liking and subscribing. Thanks very much. Right, we're just going over to see Ad, who's now doing the second and final coat on the calipers. He's done the brackets as well, so we'll show you them, and then we'll leave it all to dry before we put the wheels back on. Hubs are all done as well, so let's have a little look. Right, here's the brackets. So now nice violet stroke purple brackets. The calipers, here he is. Here's Adam, laying on the floor down here again. He's always lying around, isn't you, mate?
Just having a little lay down, mate. You can't be too crazy. What do you think of them, hey?
Very good, mate. Very good. So that's all in the heat resistant as self-leveling. And Ad, please do tell us.
Heat resistant self-leveling caliper paint in violet.
Lovely, thank you, pal.
Hubs in black.
Hubs in
So
black.
I've still got one coat to do on the hubs.
Oh, okay.
So I'll whip over them in a minute.
Superb.
Lovely time.
Lovely times. Looking good, mate. Cool. And the calipers.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye now.
Bye now.
Okay, I thought as we're doing a video on the old brake calipers at the moment for prepping and painting them, we also have a Volvo in that's having copper brake calipers done. So a little bit unusual, both of these colours, the copper and the violet, it's the first time we've done them on the brake calipers, so I just thought I'd show you the copper ones as well for something different. There we go, this is on the Volvo. There you go, so these are done. We're just waiting for the wheels to be finished, and we have done the wheels to match the exterior trims. So the lower trims that run around the car. So maybe we'll give you a little view of this at the end if we have time. So there you go, some copper calipers as well. So numerous different colours available that we can do on the brake calipers, all heat resistant paint. So don't forget to give us a shout, check out our website, get in contact with us if any of this is stuff we can help you with. Lovely. Morning, Ed.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate. Just putting his little M stickers on.
Putting his little M stickers on, yeah. They were nearly W stickers.
Very nice.
Sharp in the radio, you reckon? Yeah, I reckon, mate.
That last finishing little touch and that.
Yeah, mate.
They're looking good, the calipers, mate.
Don't be shy, mate. You get in there.
Get in there, get right in there. Look at that, look. Oh, lovely. Bit of heat resistant paint. Can't beat it, can you, mate, on a Friday morning. Come back, so back ones so we're all done now. Calipers are all done, clips are now going back in. And Ad's just putting the stickers on. Okay, so we're now getting the wheels on. Oh, sorry pal. Sorry pal, you just stuck a bit of copper slip on there.
You keep
On the old hubs.
creeping up on me.
So the wheels don't stick. Get stuck on there.
Wheels on the bus, eh?
There we go, look. So back wheels, one of the back wheels already on. Let's just getting the front ones on. Line it all up, as you can see, look.
Your nuts in?
Getting his nuts in, look. There we go, just a little nip up with the gun, look.
Just a little nib up,
Get it on the ground, talk them up.
a little bit of a chamois over.
Hi guys, and thanks for checking out our latest YouTube video. It's been a pleasure working with this one. The customer's BMW M3. As you've seen, it's a little bit special, this car, with the Supercharger fitted by A Reeve. Sounds epic as well. I'm sure it's lovely to drive. So it's been a pleasure doing the brake calipers on this one. As you know, we've been doing them in a violet colour, sort of a purpley violet. So it's nice to be doing a colour that's completely different. It's all done in heat resistant paint. We've also done the hubs in black, heat resistant paint as well. So that is now all finished. So we're going to give the customer a shout. Wheels have been cleaned, all the wheel nuts torqued up, so it's ready to go back. Don't forget, please like and subscribe to our channel. It's so helpful to us. Turn on the notifications. Keeps you fully up to date with everything we're doing. Make some comments about the jobs we're doing. Let us know what you think, what else you'd like to see. We'll crack on with the next video, and we'll catch you again soon. Thanks for watching.